Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2012 Toyota Prius V. Accessing the cabin air filter is made easier as there is a designated access panel in the rear of the glove box that allows you to easily access the filter. To replace the headlight, you only have to reach behind the bulb housing for access to the bulb. The reverse light is extremely easy to replace, as there is a designated panel in the rear of the vehicle for access to the bulb. This panel is easy to remove. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. In order to access the battery, you will have to remove many panels in the trunk first. This is rather cumbersome and can slow you down if you need to work with your battery. To drain the oil, you will have to remove a panel from underneath the vehicle first. This will require you to use a few tools and crawl beneath the vehicle for access. You will need to use a tool in order to remove the front wiper blade. Other models do not require the use of tools to replace your wiper blade. Overall, the 2012 Toyota Prius V is a moderately easy car to maintain and a good choice for the average car owner.